Alright, so this is module 0.1, video lecture class example 1D. So again, let's start with our listing here. So we've got B PEMDAS. Alright, and we see this one's a little bit more intricate, and so now we actually have brackets that we're going to start with this time. So as we go through our list, do we have brackets? We do, right? So we start with brackets here. And so let's look inside the brackets now. And so once we have that grouping symbol inside the brackets, we want to go to the next order of operations there. So inside the brackets, do we have parentheses? And we do. So inside of those parentheses, we actually have that 8 minus 4. So in our bracket here, we've got -2 times 16 divided by, and then we've got that 8 minus 4. So that 8 minus 4 is going to give us 4. Let's keep these colors consistent for you. Alright, and then we still have that squared, and then outside is squared as well. Alright, and so again, we ask ourselves, do we have brackets? Yep, we still have that bracket. Inside the brackets, do we have any more parentheses? Well, no, we can't simplify that 4 in the parentheses any further. But do we have exponents? And we do. So inside of that bracket, we've got 4 squared now. So this is going to be -2 times, again, we bring down everything else for that expression, and then we've got 4 squared, which is going to give us 16. And then we still have that whole thing squared. Alright, and so again, do we have brackets? We do. And inside the brackets, do we have parentheses? No. Exponents? No, we did those already. Do we have multiplication or division? We do. So inside there, we've got 16 divided by 16. So this is going to give us -2 times, and then our 16 divided by 16 is going to give us 1, and then that is still squared. Alright, so we go through our order of operations again here. Do we still have brackets? Yes, but that bracket can't be simplified any further, so now we're actually done with all of the brackets in this problem. And then do we have any parentheses? Nope, we're done with those. So now is there exponents? And yes, there is an exponent here. And so that next exponent there is this 1 squared. We bring this down, we've got -2 times 1 squared, which is going to be just 1. So do we have any more exponents left? Nope, those are done. Do we have multiplication or division? We do. We've got -2 times 1. And so that -2 times 1 is going to give us -2. Alright, so as you see on this one, this is an example where we can have brackets inside of brackets and then parentheses inside of that. So you always start on the outside and work your way in. So we had the bracket 16 divided by, and then in parentheses 8 minus 4 squared with a bracket. So we worked our way inside, simplified all of those, went through each one of our order of operations, and then once we've cleared out all of the brackets and parentheses, then we also go back through that list again and go through, and that's how we finished up with the exponents and then the multiplication. Alright, we'll do the next example in the next video.